Dear brethren, after reading today's manna on the oneness of the church, the unity that we have to have among ourselves, I'd like to say that I love all of you, regardless if you are a more traditional Bible student or a more liberal one. That doesn't mean that I don't think that doctrine is important. It is very important, but particularly that kind of doctrine that is established upon a solid biblical foundation and not just upon speculation or suggestions. We all love the work of Pastor Russell, a truly blessed and anointed servant of God, but we shouldn't let small differences be a reason for disunion among ourselves. I remember one day at General, when I was having a conversation with a dear brother about the fact that we see doctrines in two basic categories. That is, the basic or core doctrines, the ones that are solid, undeniable, such as there is no hell, no Trinity, no immortal soul, the ransoms for all, etc. And secondary doctrines, where there is some level for accepting different interpretations. Then this dear brother asked me, where do you draw the line? And I answer, upon the sense of love. Love, brethren, should be what unites us, despite of our differences. And that's the kind of love that I have seen in our conventions at International, for example, and from brethren and many other classes that I have visited. So, quoting today's manna, there should be a oneness of purpose, a oneness of confidence, a oneness of sympathy, a oneness of love, a oneness of honor, and a oneness of mutual possession. Not enforced unification around questionable doctrines or around a person or a group of people, such as we have seen in many religious groups out there. May the Lord bless our efforts to accomplish that blessed oneness.